GBS or Guillain-Barré syndrome is now a well-known term because of the recent surge in cases of GBS in Pune and around the city. This current surge is because of infection due to a bacteria called Campylobacter jejuni, and which has affected nerves and muscles of various people. Even though the number of cases, absolute number of cases look high, the total percentage of population is very low. So actually we need not be panicked about this disease. It is not an epidemic or a pandemic as it was in COVID. So it will be curbed over a period of time. Guillain-Barré syndrome is not a new illness. It has been there for ages, and it occurs after any preceding viral infection. In this क्या होता है कि आपके हाथ पैरों की ताकत कम हो जाती है, मसल्स वीक होने लगते हैं, बिकॉज द नर्व्स विच सप्लाई टू द मसल्स गेट अफेक्टेड एंड it becomes difficult to carry your day-to-day activities. And it is a progressive disease. So gradually पहले पैरों में ताकत कम हो जाएगी, बाद में हाथों की भी ताकत कम होती जाएगी, धीरे धीरे it ascends upwards. फिर कई लोगों को सांस लेने में दिक्कत होती है, निगलने में दिक्कत हो सकती है, and that's why these people need to be hospitalized. इसमें not necessarily that everyone progresses to this stage. A small fraction of people have rapidly progressive GBS. Some people have progression of the disease which arrests in between. So the issue is timely diagnosis of the disease. And if you have slightest of symptoms कि आपको अगर हाथ पैर में झुनझुनी लग रही है, पैरों की ताकत कम हो रही है, तो consult your nearby doctor. If he feels that this can be GBS, then इसमें आगे चल के और कोई जांच की जा सकती है, जैसे कि we do nerve conduction velocities, we do CSF examination, and once the diagnosis of GBS is established, we can start further treatment. Treatment comprises of something called plasmapheresis and or IV immunoglobulins. So it is to be given only in patients who need it, and with that we can arrest the progression of the disease, and the mainstay of treatment later on remains just physiotherapy and time. These people do recover completely over a period of time, but it takes 4 to 6 weeks for complete recovery. Not everybody goes on a ventilator, or not everybody requires a tube feeding because of swallowing difficulty. So we should basically diagnose it early and start treatment as soon as possible. There shouldn't be any situation of panic, and there are competent doctors in the town who will take care of your illness.